So did you see our group of sunbeams all the way from California and a white pigeon named Romeo? So now, ladies and gentlemen, our fine band of friends will gonna show us awesome tricks, amazing songs, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Ayat, together with our blue and gold bako named Amigo. Hola, Amigo. So, Amigo will raise the flag because the raising of the flag is a sign that the show will formally start. So, are you ready to go? Okay.
Ikaw yung video mo.
He's observing. He's overwhelmed sa kalagyan sa mga tao pa rin. Hey, buddy, come on. Pull it up. Come on. Higher we go. Oh.
Zoom.
Higher, go. Up to the top, amigo. Come on. Out. Higher. You're not sure to get higher. Alright, well done. Good job, amigo. So amigo originated from South America, but he loves to raise the Philippine flag. And also, he is a responsible bird. So he wants to see his environment clean. Now I have here an empty beer can, an empty Coca-Cola can, and a plastic cup. So, Amigo gonna show us how to clean this area. So, are you ready, Amigo? So, check this out. Pick up the beer can, walk all the way, open the bin, and drop it inside. Next, Amigo. Okay, come on. Ooh. Open the bin. Drop it inside. Last one, Amigo.
Nego nga lang.
Open the bin and drop it back. Amigo, together with the Spike Colored Press, will officially open the show. Come on, buddy. Amigo. Welcome to the Bird Show, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America. Here comes our flying macaws. So we have a total of blue and gold six blue and gold macaws named Harry, Hardy, Matt, Tony, and Carl. We also have our one green macaw named Ringo. So macaws are very adaptive.
Sila malayas no?
So whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. So if they are surrounded with many people, so without malayan nila. And also their diets, they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And also, macaws need a social interaction and socialization so they will grow bored. Kaya ang bored na macaw, they will chew any wood it can find, and because of its powerful beak, it can make a serious destruction. So I guess they really love to stay on the stage, kaya overwhelmed sila sa mga... Well, I guess they're going back home to get more food. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to our live macaws. Next, the next bird is a very special, very handsome,
kita ito na
and
naganda.
very
Wala lagi nabibigyan.
bird. Now, I want you to proudly call our next bird. So, can you say Jumbo? Louder, please. Say Jumbo.
Jumbo!
Ladies and gentlemen, our favorite macaw named Jumbo.
Color
So, Jumbo, can you wave that everyone? Again, Jumbo, can you wave?
Wave.
Okay.
Dagang
So,
Pilipina.
macaws have a very long tail and feathers. They can reach up to 3 feet in length from head to tail, with a tail that extends rapidly up going to show you his wings. Can you say wings?
Wing!
Say wings.
Wing!
And also, they have their foot is dactylus. So they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. So they uses their feet to hold up stakes and climb. Now I'm going to show you how smart he is. So we will lift up the plastic basket to get his reward. Now Mr. Aryan will put a ground nut inside the plastic basket. And check this out. Ready, Jojo? He'll lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. So he uses his foot and beak. So their beak serves as his third foot.
Matrin yun sila.
Alright. And as what I have said earlier, Jumbo is a very special and very intelligent bird. You know why? Because he loves to go to school. The bird school. So I have here 5 animal pictures. We have the snake, the horse, the tiger, the zebra, and the camel. Now I want you to choose one animal picture.
Tiger! Tiger!
Camel, how about the side?
Batang gamay.
How about the side?
Penguin!
Zebra. Okay, who wants to go to camel? Please say vote for camel. How about the zebra? Okay, the
Zebra na lang,
choice
padali.
is the zebra. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo, the spelling test and the mathematical test. Now Desire is going to the picture. While Mr. JR is going to put the Jumbo letter, so let me ask Mr. Ayat if Asset Expel is a Jumbo. So Sir, Asset Expel is a Jumbo.
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. So, okay na, Sir JR? Okay, and then, so Jumbo, are you ready? So Jumbo is going to spell out the zebra.
Ah.
Alright? See? The next letter, Jumbo.
Wow!
Third letter.
Wow! Ka-bright
Second
ba?
letter, B.
Basta kayo.
Fourth letter, Jumbo.
Cute!
Ah!
No coaching, please. No coaching. Last letter, Jumbo.
Why?
Gadi.
Number 10, we give the letter A.
Wow.
C-E-B-R-A. Now,
Naan.
ako listen sa Jumbo. So, i-level up natin yung exam. So, let's go to the mathematical test. Now, I want you to choose numbers from 1 to 10. So, 2 numbers. So, first number. 9. 9. Ito si Bibi Boy. How about the second number? 5. 5 years at number 5. Pero let's try to Jumbo. 8. Alright.
9
9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, Jumbo. So, Mr. Ayan, nanong bright line si Jumbo sa iyang diet?
Fruits, vegetables, and variety of seeds.
So, Jumbo loves to eat seeds, variety of fruits and vegetables. Now, kids, mga akin of fruits and veggies.
Nakingana, no?
Right na.
Susurin yung
So,
plaza.
again, Mr. JR is
Nahantok
picking
ko.
up the Jumbo number. Brad, nagulahuna na si Jumbo si answer. Si answer 9 plus 8. Kila? 20? So, 20 na lang ang mga right. Are you ready, Jumbo? Ready na siya and no coaching please. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, Jumbo.
Wow, 1 sa iyo. 1 din.
Last one, Jumbo.
Nagpagan.
Last. So 9 plus 8 equals 17. Ladies and gentlemen,
May pang kuwan ka, wala pa monster.
Jumbo.
Stop
Now,
tayo, stop tayo,
I
stop
need
tayo.
a volunteer. Volunteer.
Stop kayo, manang ko
Isa
ito.
ka volunteer.
Stop.